Bonjour, I am Séverine and I am your French coach. Have you ever tried to learn French only to feel lost, overwhelmed, and frustrated? And what if you could live and act like the French when you travel? I've created a simple, easy, and enjoyable podcast to bring the joy of knowing French. Imagine how you will feel when you travel to France and speak French fluently. For that, you only need to listen to the podcast and make sure to head to the website speakfrenchavecmoi.com for the free transcript. I publish a new episode every Friday. Try it and impress yourself. You can learn French.